In this lecture, we are going to discuss about symbol data type in TypeScript. So first, you have to go to my website NaveenEducation.com. There you will just come down and in JavaScript section. There you will get the symbol data type in TypeScript. Just click over here, and you will get the page complete explanation of symbol data type in TypeScript with easy language and with example as well. So from here only I will explain you. The symbol data type represents unique and immutable values that can be used as a keys for object properties. So symbol is a unique and immutable value represent the unique and immutable values, and that can be used as a keys for object properties. And symbols are a new primitive data type which is introduced in ECMAScript 6, right? It is a primitive data type like number. It is a symbol is also primitive data type. The symbol data type in TypeScript is like a unique and secret tag. It's like a unique and secret tag. Imagine you have a magic name that nobody else has. It's special and can be used to label things in your code. Symbols are guaranteed to be unique, so you can use them to mark properties in object without worrying about accidentally using that same name as a someone else. So it is even you are giving same name, still it will be unique only. So you don't have to worry about someone will accidentally give the same name and it will be like conflict. No, it will not conflict because every symbol will be unique and immutable also. Immutable means you cannot modify that symbol, right? We will see the with example. And so, having said that, symbols are often used as a properties keys in object to ensure uniqueness and avoid potential name clashes, right? So let's see the how to create a symbol type variable. So let's see the how we can create using symbol construct. Here we can, for example, this is symbol 1. So we created a symbol 1, and here inside constructor, symbol constructor, you can pass as a, if you see here, you can pass a description. It is optional. Even though it is optional, you description can be string or number. So whatever you will pass description, it can be the string or the number, right? So it, and let's see the how we can pass symbol 2 and symbol, and for example key, we pass the description here, key, and symbol 3 we can also pass number as well. So 1 2 3. So this is how we can create a symbol in TypeScript, right? So we have created 3 symbols and all 3 are unique. Okay, and this is what, this is a, if you see description. Okay, we can access the description using description properties. So if we want to access the description of this symbol dot, and there is a description, so we can access the description. If we console it, we will get to know the description. So we can get the description value using description keyword, symbol 2 dot description. You will get the ts, let's run this, ts node dot text dot ts. So if you see here, we got the keys, whatever we pass as a description, right? So like that we can create a symbol. And let's see this few important characteristic of the symbol data type. First, having said that, initially it is unique. It provides uniqueness, right? It it will give the unique symbol every time, whether it will contain the same description or not. It always symbol will be unique only. So this symbol contain same description, and then sim2 also contains same description, but both are unique. So if we execute this code, if we execute this code, so if we execute this sim1, I have put the condition sim1 equal to sim2. If it is sim1 equal to sim2, because I have passed same description, but it is not equal. Give the this block, so every symbol will be unique. Uh, second characteristic of symbol is immutable. Means once you create a symbol, you cannot modify it, right? So here what I'm trying to do is, first we created the symbol with the my symbol description, and now uh, I'm trying to uh, reinitialize with some other description. Okay, description, some other description, it will throw an error because we cannot modify it. Third is using as a keys for object property. We can use a symbol as a keys for object only. So let's see how we can use keys for object after creating symbol. So I will remove this. Okay. Here I will give uh, like name, here page structure. Okay, and now we will create one object, and here we'll pass the sim1 and value, sim2 value, right? Something like that. And if you want to print the if you want to access the property of this version, we can access easily, no issue. uh, like let's give this now letter, it will be better. Version dot version not dot sim1, so you will get the this value. Let's execute it. Now we got the a value, right? So here what I have done, we have created two symbol and used as a keys of object, right? Keys of object. If we pass same description also, it will be fine, right? This is all about symbol data type. We will see in next lecture.